Welcome to Honemix channel. In this video, we will introduce our semi-automatic perfume production line, built for perfume manufacturers who value quality, flexibility, and reliability. We provide perfume production solutions from single machines to complete lines. First is our perfume cooling filtration machine. It helps improve perfume clarity by controlling, cooling, and filtration processes, removing unwanted particles, and ensuring stable product quality before filling. Next is the pneumatic perfume mixing tank. The tank is designed for uniform mixing of perfume ingredients, with stable operation and easy control, helping manufacturers achieve consistent batches. By turning off the pneumatic agitation system, it can also be used simply as a storage tank. This is our 4-head vacuum perfume filling machine. The vacuum filling system helps achieve accurate filling levels and professional bottle appearance. It offers both automatic and manual filling modes, allowing you to choose the one that best suits you. After filling, the bottles move to the pneumatic perfume crimping machine. The machine provides precise pneumatic pressure control, ensures tight and consistent crimping, reducing leakage risks and helping perfume manufacturers achieve reliable sealing quality in every production batch. Furthermore, the pneumatic perfume capping unit features a stable stopper pressing system that ensures precise positioning, minimizes bottle breakage, and enhances overall packaging reliability in large. Finally, is manual perfume inner cap inserting machine. It is a flexible solution for small and medium production requirements. With interchangeable molds, it can be easily converted into a manual overcap pressing machine to complete the next assembly step, helping manufacturers achieve multi-purpose operation with one compact. At Honemix, we provide reliable perfume and cosmetic production machinery for global manufacturers. Thank you for watching. Contact Honemix for your perfume production solution.